I am going to organize my fridge and put some stuff in here to drink. So I'm gonna move you guys off to the side a little bit like that. I'll walk you through what I have in here and stuff like that. And we're gonna organize it as well. So I have some iced coffee here. This is the caramel macchiato. And that's gonna go all the way to the left of my fridge, closest to my phone. Next, I have some mocha iced coffee, and that's gonna go next to that. Then I have some Sunny Delight, and that's gonna go next to the iced coffee. And then the last thing I'm putting on the top shelf is my milk. As far as drinks go. Now, I have my Fairlives. I only have a certain amount of those left. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take them out of their package and just line them up along the left side of the fridge. So far I have 4 in there, and there's 6 of them, and 5 of them can fit in a row. So I'm probably gonna do 2 rows of 3. Next, I'm gonna grab my Gatorade. And we're gonna start taking these off of here. That way I can just put them in the fridge and I don't have to worry about trying to take them off the thing. And since there's 10 of these, I'm just gonna do 2 rows of 5. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some water in. So far we have 2 in there. Three, 4, and 5. And I like to have at least 3 rows of water in the fridge, if not 4, because then when I want to cold water, I can grab one. And I don't have to put water in so much because I drink a lot of water. So I'll probably put 4 rows of water in here. I'm on the 3rd row right now. So far I have 3 rows of water. I'm working on my 4th row. And then after that, we'll get some pop in the fridge. And then my fridge will be stocked up again. Okay, I need 1 more water. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 full rows of water. Okay, there we go. I've got 4 full rolls of water. I'm gonna move that out of the way and grab my pop. And then on this second shelf, I only have 1 row, enough room for 1 row of pop, but I will be putting some down below. I'm going to take these 3 cold ones out. Because then I can put them in the front after I put some more pop in. Okay, I'm taking out if I can, there we go. This piece that separates the two rows of pop in a 24 pack because I'm going to put more pop in. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Ow. I'm on my third row of pop, which is also gonna be my last row of pop for right now. Because if I'm calculating this right, okay, I have three pops left. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, and then the last one, 3. And then my whole thing of pop is in there. And so now I have pop, water, Gatorade, and Fairlife. And everything's easy to see and easy to find. Actually, we're just going to take out these 3 cold ones because I'm probably going to drink at least 2, if not 3 of them quick. And we'll just have the warm pop in the fridge. And guys, that is me reloading my fridge. Please like, subscribe, and share. So here's the pop, and plus that row. Here's the 3 rows of water, or 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of water. Here's the 2 rows of Gatorade, and here's the 2 rows of Fairlife. One you can't see very well because of the angle I had to show that at. But and then here's the 2 iced coffees, my Sunny D, and my milk. Take care, guys.